Hello and welcome dear student once again in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great. Before I start the video, you all have to like the video. You can share the video also with your friends. Make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Let's start today's video. Yes students, so in artificial intelligence we will continue today with the everyday use of AI. Like in last tutorial we have discussed about the future trends of AI. So in today's tutorial we will discuss the everyday use of AI. Under it the first one is Siri. Okay beta. So what is Siri? Siri works via voice command. It accepts a command voice as command and then work whatever we give command according to it. So we can say that it is a popular personal assistant offered by Apple in iPhone and iPad. The friendly female voice activated assistant interacts with the user on a daily routine. She assists us to find information, get directions, send messages, make voice call, open application and add events to our calendar, etc. Many more. We can say it is like a helping hand in our daily routine. Now the next one which we are going to discuss is smartphones. As you all know student that smartphones are the integral part of our life. Without it we can't imagine our life in today's scenario. Okay, so AI can be used to adjust the brightness and control display functions. Some inbuilt functions are there. The use of artificial intelligence is used with the photo editor on smartphones. When you want to take a picture, artificial intelligence help by selecting the appropriate setting. Okay, secondly, AI can be used in the smartphone for the security purpose also, like biometric, fingerprint authentication, face recognition, okay, voice recognition. These type of recognitions are there which can be used with the help of AI technology. Now next one is Netflix. I think student you all have heard this word when the web series and you have to watch the movies. So through Netflix you can watch. So it is the biggest internet television network which uses machine learning. Okay, and machine learning is important for the Netflix because it uses the data for suggestion. It is a widely popular content on demand service. Okay, uses predictive technology to offer recommendation on the basis of consumers' reaction, interest, choice, and behavior. The technology examines from a number of records to recommended movies based on your previous linking and reaction. Whatever you have did in the previous search, on the basis of that, it can suggest you different movies and other web series. Okay, student. So one smartphone, different things we can do. Now we will talk about education and training. The use of AI in education and training. As you all know, student, that education is very important. Okay, so with the help of AI we can also modify the education system. So AI is meant to help the educator from the most time consuming and monotonous tasks such as grading exams and checking paper, etc. In this we can take the help of AI technology. Okay, and within the less time the work can be completed, and that time could be better spent using their specialized training to improve the quality of their student education. But student, you have to keep in mind that a machine can't replace a teacher, because a teacher is the only one who can understand the child psychology behavior in a proper way. Okay, so machines are dreadful when it comes to the task required emotional intelligence, a skill that is essential for education a diverse student body. Okay, a teacher can only understand the student in a proper way. You all know that every child is different. Okay, so their behavior and their mental capabilities, everything is different. A machine is coded with a particular program. On the basis of that only machine can teach. But a teacher is the only one who can understand the child in a proper way and teach in a particular method, apply that particular method on the child. So machine can only be a helping hand in the education system and training, but it can't replace, okay, a teacher. So I think you understand the use of AI in education, from travel to banking, shopping and entertainment. These industries rely heavily on artificial intelligence for using chatbots, okay, or through algorithms that enable it to track spending, suggest purchase, prevent fraud, and complete other transaction much faster. Like if any fraud is there, so to track it also AI is very helpful. If you want, if you can show an image, it will show you like this many images, okay, so it can read the customer read need in a proper way, and then according to that it can suggest the different options. So I hope student, today's artificial intelligence journey you understand in a proper way all the topics. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, go through all the topics properly. Take care and goodbye.